Today, I'm going to show you an example of how to configure cookies to be blocked when we are adding these cookies through a script. To do so, we're going to have to modify the script manually in order to make sure that we are correctly blocking it before a user consents to the use of that. As an example, we're going to use this script here, which we're going to call Trustpilot. The script has the script tag, a type, a source, which is normally a URL, which I've shortened here, and an async property as well. There are a couple of things that we need to do here. We need to look at the type, we need to look at the async tag, and we also need to add an other category. Follow the steps with me to make sure that this script is properly configured and blocked. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to change its type. Its type has to go from text JavaScript or sometimes application JavaScript to text plain. That's the first step that we need to do. And we need to do this for every single script that adds cookies automatically. The second step is to add a property or attribute to help our cookie banner understand which tool or third party this script relates to. To do that, we're going to add a data-user-centrics property or attribute equal to the name of our tool. Now, the best way to figure out the name of the tool to make sure that we're using it exactly as it should be is by coming onto our platform, finding our tool, and copying and pasting the exact name. If you've already added the cookie banner onto your website, you can also look at the cookie banner and copy the exact name there. Now, the third and final step that we need to do is remove the async tag. We simply remove it, and then we're ready to go. The next step would be to press save and make sure that we publish our changes. Then we will see that no Trustpilot cookies are fired until somebody gives consent for that tool. That means that the tool must appear on the cookie banner as well. Note that if we may not already have a type, we must add it as well. So if the script does not contain a type prior, we must add the type text/plain.